Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of Bulgogi style banana peel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. That's right, we're cooking banana peel as a plant-based Bulgogi style dish. You did not know you needed to know how to cook banana peel. I promise there isn't the slightest trace of banana flavor. I've combined two recipes for this video, one from thestingyvegan.com and another from an Instagram video from Chef George Lee. Those links are in the video description below. But for now, let's get right to it. We definitely need to clean the banana peel, even if you're using organic bananas. I have specific notes on organic versus conventional bananas, and I'll go into that after the recipe. But for now, I'm doing a soak in diluted vinegar using 1/4 cup of vinegar with just enough water to cover the two bananas and weighing them down. But really, as I found out later on, baking soda would have been better for this. And then give them a good scrub. The best way to cook banana peel is to choose slightly underripe bananas. Remove the actual banana like pulp, the fruit part, and use a spoon to scoop out the meat. How much you scoop out will depend on the ripeness of your banana. You want bananas that are very yellow with a slight touch of green on the stem and ends. This gives a pretty thick peel, so you have something toothsome after scooping out the meat. If you use banana peels that are too ripe, they will be very soft and can easily turn to mush when you cook them, and that's not an appetizing texture. For this recipe, we're using the peels of 2 bananas that had a little bit of green on the stems when I bought them the day before. So the peels are still pretty sturdy. Once we've removed the meat, we'll use a fork to shred them into strings. I kept them the length of the banana, but I recommend cutting it in half. It made the strands just like way too long. For any recipe, it seems that marinating the peel strips in extra spice or marinade helps amp up the flavor. So for this recipe, I'm marinating the peel in soy sauce, garlic powder, and onion powder for 10 to 15 minutes while I clean up and prep the sauce. We need 1 minced garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1/2 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mirin or rice vinegar with a pinch of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha with a 1/2 tablespoon of tamari or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. It's a lot of ingredients. And stir together until it's all combined. All right, to cook the banana peel, heat a wok or skillet over medium heat, toss in the peel, and a splash of water to help steam the peel. This is especially important if you have thick, fresh peel. If your peel is a little older and thinner, you won't need as much water. Overall, this can take 5 to 10 minutes and up to 1/4 cup of water. I kept adding a tablespoon of water to my pan as it dried out until the peel was like an al dente pasta. This took a solid 10 minutes. I turned off the heat and then spooned in the sauce to cook into the peel for just 1 minute in the residual heat. That's all you need. Then serve over fresh rice with some sliced scallion, maybe some sesame seeds. So this was super fun to experiment with, and it had a great texture. The only flavor was the sauce. No banana, nothing even sweet. If I saw this on a menu somewhere, I would 100% order this, and not for shock value. If you go to thestingyvegan.com, you'll get the backstory on Brazilians and Venezuelans using banana and plantain peels for a while now. There are some caveats to it, like the safety of eating organic versus conventional. While you can clean the peel, you won't be removing any chemicals. So use organic as often as you can when cooking banana peels. But you wouldn't want to be eating this multiple times a week, even if it's organic, and that's because of all the starch in the banana peel. For some people, it can cause some digestive distress, like gas and bloating. So you just want to keep an eye on that, maybe some distance on that. Since bananas are part of the rubber plant family, do not feed this to someone with a latex allergy. Other than that, the peel is significantly more nutritious than the fruit, which is super cool. It is chock full of fiber, lutein, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Definitely utilize the Stingy Vegan link below for her take on the process. She even has links from Brazilian authorities on cooking banana peel that you'll need Google to translate, but is really helpful if you've never done this before. All right, y'all, this was really fun. And I know there's so many more ways you'll be able to use banana peels in your quest to increase your plant consumption. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/banana peel bulgogi. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards and thanks for watching.